Okay, let's actually start now.
Okay. Hold him up. Yeah, hold him up high so I can see him.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Hang on. I'm waiting, I'm watching. There he is. Come on, little birdie. Your hand is too low, I can't see it. Put your, there it is.
Did you get it?
I got it, yeah. Stay there, he wants that. Here it comes.
That's Stinky.
Come on, Stinky. Gosh, look at them all. There it goes. Hang on, Ben. We're not in here. This is cool. Here comes, oh, he almost came. Oh. Okay, we gotta go. Let's just go. Oh, there he is.
Whoa. You're going crazy.
Good.
That's what they have at 20 times. 20 times is what they do around
You could put it in. Oh,
Just
oh my gosh. They're on your head. He's on your head. There's another one on your head.
You can close it to him.
How funny. Okay.
Did you get pictures?
I- What? Make handprints?
Ice.
Someone's shooting at us.
You scared me. Well,
Yeah, that's weird.
Jokes.
I know.
Anyone, who's got a joke?
I got one, but it's not really a...
oh, I know.
Okay.
Why did the boy throw his clock out the window?
Why?
He wanted to see time fly.
Go ahead.
What do you call a wet pool?
Wet.
A wet retake.
What do you call a wet retake?
Pool noodle.
A pool noodle.
A pool noodle. That's cute.
I made that up.
I got a joke.
Oh.
Okay, Ben.
Okay. What did Uddy get from breaking the tree?
What?
Nothing.
A No, he got
Alright.
What do I get for
What
smacking
did the
food in the
dog
back?
say
Well, let's
to
see.
the pig?
What did the dog say to the pig? Shh. What did the dog say to the pig?
He said woof.
Woof! Yay! Don't move. Open your hands, Maddie. Wide. All the way wide. They can't see the food if your hands aren't wide. Come over here and stand by your sister. Open your hands. Open your hands wide, Maddie. Like flat, like a plate. There. Don't move, Annalise. Cool. Don't move. Maddie, stick your hands out farther. Yeah, I know. I got it. There, Maddie. Good. You did it, Annalise. Yeah.
I'll put the heads up.
Open your hands wide like a plate, Maddie. See? Mm-hmm.
They're actually pretty easy. I see the black cap.
Maddie, open them wide like a plate and lift your hands up.
Maybe got the black cap. Maybe got the black cap.
Good job, Maddie.